Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 petrol Civic CR-V. As you can see, as standard on these cars, you do get LED daytime running lights. You also get LED fog lights and forefront parking sensors. You also get the 18-inch emerald alloy wheels as well, which have got a diamond cut face. Walking around, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are in, and most importantly, the design pattern you do get on these alloys. Walking around to the rear of the car, you do have your 4 rear parking sensors along the rear bumper just there. You then got a nice little reversing camera just up here, which does make this car an absolute doddle to park. We've then got in the tailgate, we have got plenty of room in here. We've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats. And the boot floor, as you can see, you do lift up and it will just slot straight into place. For when the seats fold flat, it will completely go down. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We have got full electric automatic windows all round as well. In the front of the car, you'll notice we have your 6-speed manual gearbox with your electric handbrake and brake hold just there, and your economy and your stop start off just there. We've got dual climate control in the front, and we do also have your display in the middle just here. This comes with your satellite navigation, as you can see just there. Comes with all of your various audio sources just here, and it does also come with your Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see just there. Moving over to the middle, we've got your multifunction steering wheel with your audio controls on the left teamed up with your onboard computer controls. We've got your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant just there. We've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side, along with your lane keep assist just there. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 40,387 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this CR-V, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.